Hi everyone, it's Sally from the Friendly Food Club, and today we're going to make minestrone soup. It's a really good way of using up lots of bits of vegetables that you've got in the fridge. It's also easy to make with a bag of mixed vegetables. You need a tin of tomatoes, not much else. But before we start, let's just make sure everyone's washed their hands and let's get cooking. To make our minestrone soup, the first thing you want to do is you want to slice all your vegetables to about the thickness of a pound coin. Pop them in a big pan with a little bit of oil on a medium heat and cook them, stir them all up and cook them for about 10 minutes until they're beginning to get soft. Once your vegetables are softened, you want to put 2 crushed garlic cloves into the pan as well. A tin of tomatoes, it could be plum tomatoes or chopped tomatoes, and 2 tablespoons of dried basil or Italian herbs of some kind. You could use fresh basil, but I would put that in at the end as opposed to now. At this point as well, you need to get a handful of spaghetti and break it into small pieces and pop that into the pan as well, and then cook it for about 15 minutes. Traditionally, they use starletti to make minestrone soup, which are tiny little stars, but you can kind of use any kind of pasta. In fact, sometimes you have bits of pasta in the bottom of a jar that get broken, and that's perfect for chucking a handful into your minestrone soup. Okay guys, here we go. We've got our lovely bowl of minestrone soup with cheese on top. It smells amazing. Can't wait to dive in. Please post your photos of your minestrone soup on our Facebook page, The Friendly Food Club, and happy cooking.